And with both hands together, we'll sync the chi. So breathing in, the arms float up. Circle in front, gather in the energy, and then bring it down towards the earth. Breathing in, gather. Breathing out, directing down. Sinking the chi, grounding the energy, feeling rooted into the earth. One more time, breathing in, breathing out. This time the arms float up in front to about shoulder height. Then the arms float down, the knees and hips soften. Breathing in, rising up. Breathing out, letting go. It's like your arms are resting on a wave in the ocean. The tide rolls in, the tide rolls out. One more time, we call this opening the door. And then circle the arms in front, hugging the tree. Right out in front, breathing in, the arms open, breathing out, this hand under, the other one on top, as you embrace the moon. And then switching sides, spinning the moon. And you can soften down if you like to. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, embrace the moon. This time the arms float out to the sides, the hands float down, the palms face up. They float up the midline, pressing up overhead, floating out and down, holding up the sky, opening the shoulders and chest, creating space in the spine. Breathing in, rising up. Breathing out, letting go. One more time, holding up the sky. This time the backs of the hands face each other, floating up the midline, and then the hands drift out to the sides, the fountain. Breathing in, breathing out, just letting go. Moving like water, soft but powerful. One more time, the fountain. This time the fingertips point up. The hands scoop up the center, spiraling out and away. Silk railing the upward spirals. Breathing in, once again rising up and open. Breathing out, or take as many breaths as you need. As always, keep on breathing. Keep the energy flowing. One more time, upward spirals. And then reverse direction with the arms coming up and over. Fingertips point down, coming down the center, spiral out and away, the downward spirals. Softening down and rising up. Just coming up as much as you can, comfortably floating down. One more time, the downward spirals. And the arms float out to the side, spreading your wings. The arms float down, the wrists cross right in front of the heart. Then the palms face away, press out to the sides. Scooping down, rising up. This one's called creating space. Pushing out to the east and west, left and right. It's clearing out energy, making room for the new. One more time, creating space. And then from here, the hands float up to the heart. One hand pushes up, the other pushes down, connecting sky and earth. And then switching sides, keeping the spine neutral at first. This time you can do a side bend if you like. Easing in, nice and soft. One more time, connecting sky and earth. This time the bottom hand comes up, push to the corner, the other hand pushes behind. Coming back to center, push to the other corner. The dragon spreads its wings. Nice and easy, gentle rotation. Pushing to the corner. One more time. This time the back hand swings around as if it's gliding on the surface of the water. The other hand comes around as the dragon swings its tail, making little ripples in the water, sending out waves into the distance. One more time, drift across. This time the hands come together in prayer position. They come right in front of the heart. Step one foot out a little bit wider. And then from here, softening the hips and knees, going down. And then as you rise up, the fingertips point to the sky as you look to the side, coming back down to center, looking the other way. The dragon looks side to side, coming down, rising up. Nice gentle stretch, just shifting the weight side to side, breathing in and breathing out. One more time, the dragon looks side to side. This time the hands turn onto their sides and they drift right across the eye level, and then across the heart, and then across the lower abdomen, the swimming dragon. The hands float back up for another round, drifting across, up high, and then medium, and then down low. And then drifting back up for another round, opening the wrists, the elbows, the shoulders. You can lean into it if you like. And then one more round, swimming dragon. And this time release, making two loose fists coming all the way up and over, and then down, softening down, coming all the way back up, turning the wheel. One more time, breathing in as you come up, breathing out. And then reverse direction. The arms float all the way up and over, and down. Turning the wheel. One more time. Breathing in, breathing out. And then circle in front, hug the tree. Step one foot in a little bit closer. From here, the hands draw in towards the heart and then press out to the side with both hands. And then draw the hands back in, push to the other side. The dragon stretches its tail. This time, as you push to the side, the opposite foot taps out to the other side. Switching sides again, tapping the toes right out to the side. This time you can tap them out in front. You're testing out the water. Other side, push to the side, tap the toes in front. This time you can tap the toes behind. Other side, shift the weight, tap the toes behind, and you can keep going behind or you can cross diagonally behind. One more time, the dragon stretches its tail. And then step in and hug the tree. Step one foot out a little bit wider. From here, the fingertips point down as we dig into the garden, coming all the way up and over, and then down in front of the body. Coming down again, just as much as you can comfortably, rising up. One more time, digging in the garden. And then reverse direction with the hands floating up and over and down. Coming back up the center as we harvest from the garden. All right, one more time. And then circle in front, hugging the tree. From here, the arms open. This hand scoops under, the other one on top. Embrace the moon. And then pivot on the heel. The toes point out to the side. The moon orbits the earth as the hands circle around as if they're resting right on the moon as it orbits the earth. Circling it around one more time. And then reverse direction. The moon orbits the earth. All right, one more time. And then when you're ready, hug the tree. Bring it back to center. From here, the arms open. Then this hand scoops under, the other one on top. Embrace the moon. Pivot on the heel, toes point to the side. The moon orbits the earth, circling around, really tuning into the body. Noticing the sensations that arise. And then reverse direction. Circle it around. And then when you're ready, you can hug the tree, bring it back to center. Step one foot in a little bit closer. From here, the arms open, fingertips drift towards each other, then the hands float down. Then this hand here lifts the moon into the sky. The hand floats down, it drifts across the lake. The other hand floats up, lifting the moon. Palm faces down as it grazes the water. Lifting the moon one more time. All right, this time both hands float up to the back corner, right up to the sky. Palms face down, drifting across as we gaze at the moon. Gentle rotation, never forcing it, easing in. One more time, gazing at the moon. And then circle the hands all the way in front as you hug the tree. And then shift all your weight over to one side, step in, and then step out to the corner. As you step out, the arms open, the front knee bends. Then the front knee straightens, the wrists cross. As you shift back, hinge from the hips, the arms float to the sides. And cross the wrists again as you shift forward, front knee bends, the arms open. We call this the butterfly. Take a bow, keeping the spine long, and then spread your wings. Cross the wrists, shift forward, and open. One more time on this side, the butterfly. You don't have to go very low. Just being kind to yourself. And then step the front foot back in, hug the tree, shift the weight over, and step in when you're ready. Step out to the corner, the arms open, the front knee can bend at first, and then the front knee begins to straighten as you shift back, cross the wrists, hinge from the hips. The arms float out to the sides, cross the wrists again. Front knee bends as you shift forward and open. The butterfly. Take a bow, flutter the wings, keeping the spine nice and long. Coming forward. One more time, the butterfly. Beautiful. Step the front foot in, hug the tree. Step one foot out a little bit wider. And then from here, the hands come together in prayer position as you soften down. From here, the fingertips point to the side, then they scoop around and go to the other side as the dragon pierces through the clouds. Going side to side, gentle rotation. And then you can continue just to go side to side, or you can let the hands begin to drift up towards the mountain peak. Just slowly going up as much as you can comfortably, and then going down the mountain trail, all the way to the base of the mountain, if you like. And then tuning into the body, moving in any way that would feel great for you right now. The spontaneous dragon. So going up, down, side to side, or anywhere in between. Just tuning into the body. Let the energy guide you. Tuning into the body's wisdom. Using curiosity as your main focus. What would it feel like to go here or there? All right, one more time, spontaneous dragon. And then when you're ready, you can release. Hug the tree, bring it to center, step one foot in a little bit closer. And then from here, the arms open wide, the hands float down. Palms face up, one hand on top of the other. This hand floats all the way up and over, and then down the center line of the body. Other side, breathe in as the hand floats up, breathing out, centering. Calming the heart, calming the mind. One more time, centering. This time both hands float all the way up and over, just as much as you can. The hands float down to the waist as you soften. Circle the hands in front as if you had a big ball, in front of the body, coming under, back up to the heart, and down. One more time, opening the heart, rising up, softening down, this time making a diamond shape with the hands in front of the heart, and then press out, sending out all your loving kindness to the world. May all beings be free from suffering. May they be happy. May they be healthy. May they live with ease. And then turning your palms to face yourself, the hands come to the heart. May I be kind to myself. May I feel connected with all beings. May I love myself just as I am. Then the hands can float down to the lower abdomen. You can step your feet together or as close as you can. You can close your eyes or just keep a soft gaze, letting your body rock and sway ever so slightly. Bamboo in the wind. Just feeling the sensations in the body. Just feel the body breathing all by itself. You don't have to do a thing. Just being here is enough. And then bring your attention into your heart, creating an inner smile, expressing gratitude to yourself for being here today. And then if your eyes are closed, you can slowly open them. The hands can come together in front of the heart, and we can finish with a bow. I hope you enjoyed today's session. If you did, this class is part of our free monthly clickable calendar program. Just click the link below to get your free monthly clickable calendar. Thank you so much, and I look forward to having you in class again real soon. Peace.